Hamza here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how much it actually costs you to build a website. And hey, if it's your first time to this channel, I help beginners just like you establish a digital presence from scratch. And so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content when I push it out. Let's dive straight in. To be very precise, a website may cost you between $100 to as far as $50,000. $100 to $50,000? Yes. Why? I'm going to give my opinions based on two options. The first option, you are hiring out a creative, a developer, you're hiring out a designer who is going to help you, or an agency that is going to help you to build your website. And the other side, that you are going to do the website yourself. You're going to do the designing and stuff like that. So those are two things involved. So number one, you're hiring out an individual, you're hiring out a designer who is going to help you with this project. It will cost you between $100 to $50,000. Why? Let's suppose that you have already got a domain name and a hosting provider for your website, and someone is going to charge you about $10 an hour just to set up for you the website, put up the pages. And this is going to take him about 10 hours just to do that work. And that will cost roughly $100. And you'll have your website up, having the pages there, contact form, and the headers, footer, the home page, and everything there. Fine. But if you want everything custom coded, even if in content management systems like WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, you want your theme custom coded, you want your plugin custom coded, you must be willing to dash off more money and more time. This means that someone is going to have to sit down and write everything for you. So that means it's going to cost you more money, and this will cost you between $5,000 to over $50,000. So it again goes back on who you're hiring and their experience and skill set. So if you're going to hire an agency, normally agencies have a standard fee, regardless of what kind of website you have. This is the standard fee, how many pages you want. But also if you have a project that requires a lot of customization and functionality that is not common, or that is not available in different resources that are publicly available, then that means you're going to dash off more money, because actually some agencies may want to outsource some of that work, or some individuals, you may hire a freelancer but they're not having the capacity to build that specific functionality that you want, and then you have to outsource that. They have to outsource that work, so you're going to pay for extra time. So it goes back on the type of project and how you want it to look like, how you want it to be worked on, the functionality, and a number of other customizations. And on the other hand, if you're going to work on the website yourself, the cost of building a website can go as low as only $50, because you just have to get a domain, which is about $10, and then a hosting provider, which is about $5 per month. Maybe you can register for a year, and you have your website up under $10, but then you have to invest the time. Investing the time in building your website, setting up everything. If you're using WordPress, then you're going to have to know how to install the plugins, the themes, and a couple of other things. You'll do a big saving, but at the same time, you have to put aside time that is going to help you work on that specific project. So back to the question, how much does it require you to build a website, or how much is needed for you to build a website? Again, two ways. If you're hiring out someone else, you're going to dash off more money, which is up to $50,000, and as low as $100. At the same time, if you're going to work it on yourself, it can go to as low as $10 for the very first month. Those are my views on how much it actually costs you to build your first website. So, question about the video. I want you to go in the comment box below and share with me how much it actually costed you to build your first website, or how much you are willing to dash off to build your first website. Hi guys, like this video if you like it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon so that you don't miss out on new content when I push it out. See you guys in my next video.